Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and I found my watt meter over here. You can see on the right of me, left of you, whatever. You can see that over there. Now this is not the best way to be testing equipment out, because this is not going to be as quick responding as using a multimeter or something like that. But in order for me to use a multimeter, I would have to have a wire that's spliced in half, and I do not have that. You're going to be able to see the watts on here, how many watts it goes up to, how many watts, or whatever. You can at least see the watts. The amperage is going to move around a lot, the same thing as the watts, like I said, because this is not like a multimeter. In order to obviously make this thing go up and down, because when you start this, it's going to start out at high amperage and then it's going to go down. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to show you what it is spinning, the watts just spinning by itself without a load on it. And then what I did was I just put, because the cheapest thing I have is 2x4 to test for you guys. So what I did was I just got 3 2x4s over here. I put them, I have to cut the one on the bottom, but I just put a little piece here just to cut through it, and then I got another piece here to cut through it. So I do not have the slider on, so it's just going to go down and cut regularly. So it's not going to be able to go through, all of this material. It's just going to go through probably only half of this 2x4, because you can't get that much depth. And this is just to show you the wattage and stuff like that, to compare to your tools or what you have or whatever. Or when I do get another tool or whatever, I'm gonna I usually like to put science or numbers in my videos, so this way if you check the other videos out, you can at least have a basis of something. If you're really good at this or bad at this, then obviously you'll be up and down. But if we can pin an average for the average person and then figure it out from there, at least we're better off than just being all over the map. So let's get this done. We're gonna see what's up. Let's see what this goes to when I turn it on. So the light doesn't use any watts at all. It's one LED, I guess. All right, ready? Alright, so you see how what happened at first? It said overload, because that's the starting torque. That's just that starting capacitor that sucks, a crap load of amperage and watts out just to get the motor started. That's why I tell you never, start in the material. Start before you're hitting the material with your equipment. That's just the design of it. Let's see if it does it again when it does. So that's kind of what it does, 845. Obviously it shoots over the overload just to start it up. So let's get this started. Let me cut this up, and you guys are going to see what the amperage does. I can't see because I want to pay attention to this and not cut my hand off or some shit. So you guys are going to see what's up, and I'm just going to give this a quick cut. Alright, so I'm not sure what the amperage was. I couldn't see it exactly. Obviously that cut it very fast because it's a new blade. I would expect it. But at least you guys got to see what was on there and see the amperage, the watts or whatever it went up to while it was just cutting. And that was 3 2x4s, so it was a decent amount of wood that I was, going through. I don't know what you're going to be going through, but I have 4x4, but this is pretty much more than that, what I just did. Just an updated review. I just wanted to show you the watts so you guys see how much power this thing is drawing, or how much it should be drawing if you have this and you're trying to diagnose problems. At least we have numbers to go back on and figure out what the hell's going on. All right, so that's it for Glenn Velvet Reviews on an update, I guess, on the RYOBI, how much power it's going to pull, what I just cut, blah blah blah, and that's it. Okay, if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also subscribe to my channel join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, everybody enjoy, be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye.